In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store. This is a crucial step if you're looking to optimize your advertising campaigns and gain insights into customer behavior on your website. So let's dive right in. First up, we'll need to get the Facebook and Instagram app. Head over to your Shopify admin panel and look for Apps in the menu. Once you're there, you might see Facebook and Instagram already listed. If not, don't worry. You can easily find it by searching for it in the Shopify App Store. Once you've located the app, click on Add App and then proceed by clicking Add Sales Channel. This will integrate the app with your Shopify store, setting the stage for the next steps. Now let's move on to connecting your Facebook accounts. Inside the Facebook and Instagram app settings, you'll be asked to link your Facebook account, Business Manager, and Ad account. You'll want to make sure you have a Facebook account ready, along with a Business Manager account, which will be essential for handling all your advertising needs. Don't forget to ensure your business page is linked to your Shopify store. If you're new to Business Manager, you might need to create a fresh account or add any existing one you have. Connecting these will enable you to manage your data sharing preferences, letting you pick from options like Standard, Enhanced, or Maximum. Once your accounts are connected, it's time to configure the Facebook Pixel itself. The app will guide you through the setup process, making it straightforward to get things going. It's usually a good idea to verify the Pixel installation by checking your Shopify theme's code for the Facebook Pixel ID. This ensures everything is in place and set up accurately. To guarantee your tracking is robust, you might want to verify your domain within Facebook Business Manager. This step solidifies the tracking setup. Additionally, you can dive into the Facebook Events Manager and define the specific conversion events you wish to track, such as purchases and add-to-cart actions. After configuration, it's crucial to verify and test. The Meta Pixel Helper, a handy Chrome extension also known as the Facebook Pixel Helper, can be used for this purpose. It will help you confirm that the Pixel is firing correctly on your website. For further testing, you can send the test traffic to your site and observe event data in the Events Manager to ensure everything's tracking as it should. By carefully following these steps, you'll successfully install the Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store, paving the way to track critical data and enhance your advertising strategies.